Welcome back, students. Our next topic is airways. Today, the air travel is our fastest, most comfortable, and prestigious mode of transport. We can easily cover very difficult terrain such as high mountains, deserts, dense forest, and even oceanic stretches with airways. Think how we can travel northeastern part of country that is marked with rivers, dissected relief, dense forest, frequent floods and international frontiers without air travel. Students, do you know it is only airways which has made easier to travel these places. The air transport was nationalized in 1953. Indian Airlines, Alliance Air, that is subsidiary of Indian Airlines, private scheduled airlines and non-scheduled operators provide domestic air services. Air India provides international air services. Pawan Hans Helicopter Limited provides helicopter services to Oil and Natural Gas Corporation in its offshore operations to the areas where it is difficult to reach, such as interior of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and northeastern states. Here are some challenges in front of airways. Air travel is not within the reach of common people. Only in the northeastern states, special provisions are made to extend the services to the common people. Next topic is communication. Communication refers to exchange of ideas, messages, emotions, either written or oral, from one place to another. In order to communicate with one another, human being is using different means of communication. Now, we can communicate easily at far places even without physical movement of communicator and receiver. Communication are of two types: personal communication, mass communication. Personal communication include personal means such as mobile, letter, etc. Mass communication include television, radio, press, etc. The Indian Postal Network is the largest in the world. It handles parcels as well as personal written communications. Cards and envelopes are considered first class mail and are delivered from one place to another by air, covering both land and air. The second class mail includes book packets, registered newspapers, and periodicals. They are carried by surface mail, means land, covering land and water transport. 6 mail channels have been introduced in order to give quick delivery of mails in large cities such as metro cities and towns. They are called Rajdhani Channel, Metro Channel, Green Channel, Business Channel, Bulk Mail Channel, and Periodical Channels. Rajdhani Channel ensures transmission of mail from Delhi to 6 state capitals. Metro channel ensures transmission of inter-metro mails like from Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, etc. Bulk mail channel refers to mail that is mailed and processed in bulk at reduced rates. Green channels. For green channels, green boxes are there just for the delivery of letters for local areas, local cities or towns. Periodical channels. Periodical mail is just to deliver magazine, newspaper, etc. Business channel. Material related to goods and services is delivered from one place to another by the business channel. India has one of the largest telecom network in Asia. Two-thirds of villages in India have already been covered with STD, that is subscriber trunk dialing telephone facility. Government has made special provisions to extend 24 hours STD facility to every village in the country so that information can be passed from grassroots to higher level. The rate of STD facility is uniform all over India. Move to mass communication. Mass communication provides entertainment and creates awareness among people about various national programs and policies. It includes radio, television, newspaper, magazines, books, and films. All India Radio Akashvani broadcasts a variety of programs in national, regional, and local languages for various categories of people. Doordarshan, the national television channel of India, is one of the largest terrestrial network in the world. Terrestrial means related to Earth. It broadcasts different types of programs for the different age groups such as educational program, entertainment and sports program. India publishes a large number of newspaper and periodicals annually. Periodical means a magazine or newspaper published at regular interval. Newspapers are published in about 100 languages and dialects. Dialects means a form of language that is spoken in a particular part of country or by a particular group of people. India is the largest producer of feature films in the world. It produces short films, video feature films and video short films. Indian and foreign films are certified by the Central Board of Film Certification. That's all for the day. Have a nice day.